The basic types of operational amplifier circuit. So according to the connection or input connection to the terminal, we are classifying into two types. If Vin is connected to negative terminal, it is called as an inverting amplifier. If Vin is connected to positive terminal, it is non-inverting amplifier. If Vin to negative, then positive is grounded. If V into positive, then negative is grounded. In inverting amplifier, if you are applying the positive and negative half cycle of sine waveform, in output side it will get its opposite. If you apply positive, you will get negative. If negative, the output is positive. Similarly, in case of non-inverting amplifier, whatever you are applying the input signal, positive, negative, the same signal you will get at the output side. So in both cases, there is a phase shift. In inverting amplifier circuit, there is a 180-degree phase shift because the input is exactly opposite of output. But in case of non-inverting, zero phase shift because both are same signals. Next, come to the different applications of the op-amp. So in this case, the first one is inverting amplifier circuit. So in inverting amplifier circuit, the Vin is connected to the negative terminal of the op-amp and the remaining terminal positive is grounded. If Vin is applied to negative of op-amp, the current I is generated, I is flowing through the input resistance R1, and whatever the current I comes at this node A, the same amount of current also flowing through the feedback resistance Rf. And whatever the base bias current is always equal to 0. It is one of the characteristics of the op-amp. If IB is equal to 0 and whatever the input impedance is very high, it is infinity. And the same amount of current also flowing through the feedback resistance Rf. So when the current comes at this point, so we get the output signal that in the form of inverted form. Next, come to the derivation part. So in derivation, we write two different current equations. One current is at input side, another current is at output side. And one more thing, according to the virtual ground concept, whatever the voltage at node A, is also equal to voltage at node B. So that V of A is equal to V of B is equal to 0 volt. Why 0 volt? Whatever the voltage at node B is connected to ground. Ground means 0 volt. Next, the current at the input side, according to the Kirchhoff's voltage law, first to write the voltage equation, Vin plus Vin minus I into R1 minus V of A is equal to 0 plus V in minus I into R1 minus V of A is equal to 0, and from this equation you will get I is equal to V in minus VA divided by R1 according to the virtual ground concept. So we are getting finally V in by R1. Then at the output side, same KVL, according to the KVL, VA minus I into RF minus V0 is equal to 0. VA minus I into RF V0 is equal to minus V0 is equal to 0. From this equation, one more current equation, I is equal to VA minus V0 divided by RF. Because of VA is equal to 0 volt, we get minus V0 by RF. So after equating these both current equations, finally we are getting the voltage gain equation V0 by Vin is equal to minus RF by R1. Minus RF by R1. This is the gain of the feedback system. And here the negative sign is indicates what? If you apply positive half cycle, output is opposite. If you apply negative half cycle, the output is positive. There is a 180-degree phase shift between input and output signal. So we are getting in derivation, the voltage gain is negative sign. So this is about the inverting amplifier.